Hello students, welcome once again. So till now we have studied 4 points of direct indirect speech. First one was assertive sentence, second was interrogative sentence, then imperative sentence and exclamatory sentence. So in our last lecture we had studied exclamatory sentence. So let's see some points of interrogative, imperative and exclamatory sentence. So first, what we have to do in direct indirect speech. So mostly in our each and every lecture I have discussed about these rules. First, we have to identify the types of sentence. Second point is we have to use conjunction, and then mostly three changes can take place in reported speech. रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब में जो बदलाव आता है वो टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंस के अकॉर्डिंग टू होता है. मीन्स इफ द सेंटेंस इज assertive then we can use their told in place of say to. Second, in interrogative sentence we can use their ask. Then imperative, first we have to identify the types of sentence imperative. So how can we come to understand that this sentence is imperative? So by finding that the sentence has started with verb or noun, this sentence is called imperative sentence. In imperative sentence we have to use such words like requested, commanded, ordered, advised, suggested, instructed, threatened and warned as reporting verb. Then conjunction we have to use to or not to. If the sentence is affirmative we can use to, and if the sentence is negative then we can use not to. Okay. Then if we talk about exclamatory sentence, so in exclamatory sentence we have used exclaimed with plus filling in place of say to. So exclaim with plus filling, filling में कौन कौन सी filling है? Exclaim with joy, exclaim with sorrow, exclaim with praise, exclaim with surprise and exclaim with disgust. Now ये जो फीलिंग हम रखते हैं वो किसके बेस पर रखनी है? तो देखना है हमें कि अगर सेंटेंस में ओ या अलास ये दोनों से कोई भी वर्ड होता है तो वी कैन यूज दैट exclaim with sorrow. If a or पूरे is given in the sentence we can use that exclaim with joy. If well done या bravo is given there in the sentence then we can use that exclaim with praise. Wow means surprise, exclaim with surprise. And oops अगर सेंटेंस में दिया गया है तो exclaim with disgust. Okay, then we can use the conjunction. So which conjunction will be used? That. उसके बाद just we have to make the exclamatory sentence assertive sentence. Exclamatory assertive में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. तो ये मैंने आपको पूरी कंस्ट्रक्शन लास्ट लेक्चर में जो हमारा लेक्चर था उसमें मैंने बोला है आपको कि अगर कोई भी सेंटेंस व्हाट या हाउ वाला होता है तो ये अगर एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस है तो उसको assertive में कन्वर्ट कैसे करना है. सो ऑल दिस थिंग्स वी हैव स्टडीड टिल नाउ. ओके, टुडे जस्ट वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी अबाउट अनदर पॉइंट एंड दैट इज प्रपोजल सेंटेंस. ओके, सो प्रपोजल सेंटेंसेस. सो प्रपोजल सेंटेंसेस हमें पहले तो आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि ये प्रपोजल सेंटेंस है वो कैसे पता चलेगा. सो उसके लिए हिंट है. अब देखो सेंटेंस में अगर लेट दिया गया है तो ये सेंटेंस कंपल्सरी प्रपोजल सेंटेंस है. क्लियर? व्हेन लेट्स, लेट मी, लेट हिम, लेट अस, लेट देम आर गिवन इन द सेंटेंस, that sentence is called proposal sentence. Now in proposal sentence Now we can divide it. First point will be if the sentence starts with let's or let us. So एक प्रकार ये है कि जहां पर सेंटेंस की शुरुआत होती है लेट्स और लेट अस से, और दूसरा प्रकार ये है जहां पर लेट मी, लेट हिम और let her is given in the sentence. Now अगर let's और let us वाला सेंटेंस है तो डायरेक्ट में से इनडायरेक्ट में कन्वर्ट करने पर फर्स्ट व्हाट वी हैव टू यूज, say to के बदले क्या इस्तेमाल करेंगे हम, say to will be removed and proposed will be used as. Clear? फिर से if the sentence starts with let's or let us, then say to will be removed and we have to use proposed as reporting verb. Second, conjunction. So conjunction that will be used. Then let's or let us will be removed. सेंटेंस में से लेट्स और लेट अस को निकाल देना है और दैट जो इस्तेमाल किया उसके बाद we have to use, we can use they should. Okay, so this is the pattern of the proposal sentence. Now just I am going to give you one example. He said let's play cricket. Okay, so first what we have to do, just we have to identify the types of sentence. He said let's play cricket, so let's is given here. Okay, it means that these rules will be applied here. So said के बदले क्या रखना है हमें, let's say तो proposed means he proposed, then conjunction that will be used, उसके बाद सेंटेंस में से let's निकालना है. Okay, so let's will be removed and we can use that they should, so that they should के बाद जो भी वर्ब आएगा this verb means play, so they should play cricket. Okay, so this is the answer of this sentence. Clear? Second one, Ram said to Sita, let us find the deer. Okay, so Ram said to Sita, let us find the deer. So first we have to identify the types of sentence. तो उसके लिए क्या करना है, तो यहाँ पर देखो let us is given in the sentence, that's why this sentence is called the proposal sentence. Now proposal sentence है तो first we have to make a change in place of say to. So Ram say to will be removed and we have to use that proposed. So Ram proposed Sita, then conjunction that will be used that letters will be removed from the sentence and they should will be used, that they should, then days were find the deer. Clear? So this is one type where let's or let us is given in the sentence. Now दूसरा प्रकार ये है कि अगर कोई भी डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट वाला सेंटेंस जिसमें let me, let him या let her दिया गया है, अगर let me, let him, let her दिया गया है तो first change we have to make in place of say to. So say to के बदले अगर let's था तो वहां पर propose इस्तेमाल हुआ, यहाँ पर let me है, let him है, let her है, तो ऐसे सेंटेंस में say to के बदले हमें रखना है suggested. So suggested will be used in place of say to. Then conjunction, यहाँ पर conjunction that इस्तेमाल हुआ। अगर सेंटेंस की शुरुआत let me, let him, let her से हुई है तो conjunction to will be used और to के बाद कोई चेंजेस करना नहीं। क्लियर? Just we are going to see the one sentence here. First example, she said to me, let me study. Okay, so very simple sentence is given here. She said to me, let me study. Now first thing what you have to do, you have to identify the types of sentence. So यहाँ पर देखो let me दिया हुआ है, means proposal sentence है। proposal sentence में दो प्रकार, when any sentence starts with let's or let us, और दूसरा है when any sentence starts with let me, let him, let her, let them. So यहाँ पर ये दूसरे प्रकार में है क्योंकि यहाँ पर let me दिया गया। So let me दिया गया है तो what we have to do here? So first we have to remove the say to reporting verb and we can use that suggested. So she suggested me, then comma, double inverted comma will be removed from the sentence and to is used. So to let me, me यानी किसके लिए इस्तेमाल हुआ? रिपोर्टर के लिए। रिपोर्टर इज सी, ये ऑब्जेक्टिव केस है तो यहाँ पर सी है तो सी का ऑब्जेक्टिव केस क्या रहेगा? हर। सो टू लेट हर स्टडी। सो दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ दिस सेंटेंस। सेकंड एग्जांपल, Aman said to him, let me give you a book. Okay, so Aman said to him, let me give you a book. यहाँ पर देखो the sentence started with let me, तो हमें देखा कि अगर सेंटेंस में let me, let him, let her ये सब अगर इत्यादि वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं तो that is called proposal sentence. प्रपोजल सेंटेंस में भी दूसरा प्रकार है तो वहां पर say to के बदले हमें पहला चेंज जो करना है वो सजेस्टेड रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब में करना पड़ेगा। मींस अमन सजेस्टेड हिम। ओके, तो say to निकल गया, उसके बदले हमने रख दिया सजेस्टेड। सो अमन सजेस्टेड हिम, देन कंजंक्शन to is used there। ओके, अमन सजेस्टेड हिम to के बाद कंपल्सरी वी हैव टू यूज दैट let। let के बाद यहाँ पर दिया है me, सो me इज ऑब्जेक्टिव केस फॉर स्पीकर या रिपोर्टर। रिपोर्टर है अमन, अमन के लिए जो प्रोनाउन इस्तेमाल हुआ है वो है he, तो he का ऑब्जेक्टिव केस क्या रहेगा यहाँ पर? him, him। to let him, then base verb give। अब you is also objective case for listener। listener कौन? him। so him है तो him itself is objective case, so we can use here him। then a book noun is there। clear? so right answer is Aman suggested him to let him give him a book। now next sentence, I said to my father, let me do my work myself। Okay, so here one sentence is that I say to my father, let me do my work myself। अब यहाँ पर देखो, so first we have to identify the types of sentence। so now you can understand that let me is given here, it means that this is a proposal sentence। so in proposal sentence we have to first identify which type of proposal sentence is this। सेंटेंस की शुरुआत let से हुई है या let me से हुई है। सो यहाँ पर let me दिया है, let me दिया है, इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि यहाँ पर just we can use that suggested in place of say to। so first subject, I suggested my father उसके बाद लेट मी है तो टू लेट मी, मी यानी ऑब्जेक्टिव केस, किसके लिए, स्पीकर के लिए या रिपोर्टर के लिए। रिपोर्टर कौन है, आई, आई मींस, अब ये ऑब्जेक्टिव केस स्पीकर के लिए, स्पीकर आई, तो आई का ऑब्जेक्टिव केस मी इटसेल्फ। सो टू लेट मी, देन डू माय यूज्ड फॉर आई, और आई का पॉजिटिव केस माय ही है, मींस वी हैव टू यूज द सेम वर्ड देयर माय। देन वर्ब myself, okay, myself means that is the reflexive case, किसके लिए, स्पीकर के लिए, रिपोर्टर के लिए। रिपोर्टर आई, तो आई का रिफ्लेक्सिव केस क्या रहेगा, myself। सो यहाँ पर राइट आंसर इज I suggested my father to let me do my work myself। okay, clear? So just write down the rules of proposal sentences and write down the 2 examples of let's and 3 examples of let me, let him and let her। okay, just I am going to give you 2 minutes to complete these sentences। Okay students, so we are practicing more sentences here। okay, more 5 sentences just I am going to give you for practice। okay, and that will be the main sentence। first one, she said let us sing songs। okay, now just tell me, first identify the types of sentence। how can you identify the types of sentence? so by finding the word letters। so letters दिया हुआ है, it means that this sentence is proposal sentence। so proposal sentence है तो उसमें letters दिया हुआ है, तो हमें सबसे पहले क्या करना है, रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब में बदलाव करना है। तो रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब से टू के बदले क्या रखेंगे हम, प्रपोज्ड। सो शी प्रपोज्ड, लिसनर नो वन इज हियर, सो वी कैन यूज दैट कंजंक्शन दैट। सो शी प्रपोज्ड दैट let us, so let us will be removed from the sentence and they should will be used। so she proposed that they should, now base verb sing songs। so this one is the right answer। clear? second, Roma said to me let me listen music। okay, so identify the types of sentence। यहाँ पर let me दिया हुआ है, let me means proposal sentence, और दूसरा प्रकार जहाँ पर let me, let him, let her दिया गया है। तो यहाँ पर फर्स्ट चेंज क्या करना है हमें, said के बदले so रोमा, चलो क्या रखेंगे यहाँ पर, प्रपोज रखेंगे या सजेस्टेड रखेंगे, सजेस्टेड। क्यों, क्योंकि यहाँ पर लेट मी है, अगर लेट्स होता तो यहाँ पर हम प्रपोज इस्तेमाल करेंगे। सो रोमा सजेस्टेड मी, देन कंजंक्शन टू इज यूज्ड हियर। ओके, टू के बाद बेस वर्ब। सो यहाँ पर बेस वर्ब क्या है, लिसन। सो टू लिसन, सॉरी, so Roma suggested me to let me यानी रिपोर्टर के लिए, रिपोर्टर कौन है, रोमा, रोमा यानी she, तो शी का ऑब्जेक्टिव केस रहेगा हर. So to let her listen music. Okay, so this one is the right answer. Clear? Third one. The security guard said to the manager, the security guard said to the manager, let me put your bag, let me put your bag here. Okay, so the security guard said to the manager, let me. So let me is given here. It means that this is proposal sentence. A proposal sentence है तो first what can we do here? So say to के बदले we can use the suggested. So the security guard अब suggested say to के बदले suggested the manager, then conjunction to is used to, then let me and security guard means him, objective case or reporter. So to let him put base one your यानी possessive case listener के लिए, listener है का manager means he, तो he का possessive case रहेगा him. So to let him put his, यहाँ पर पॉजिटिव केस है. ओके, तो पॉजिटिव केस रहेगा यहाँ पर his bag here का हो जाएगा that. So right answer is the security guard suggested the manager to let him put his bag there. Okay, next one, fourth one. She said, let's go for a walk. So here let's is given. It means that this is the proposal sentence or let's है. So reporting verb हमें इस्तेमाल करना है proposed. So she proposed that. Now let's will be removed from the sentence and they should will be used. They should go for a walk. Clear? Okay, so these are the examples of proposal sentences. Did you get idea? सबको समझ में आ गया? If you have any doubt, just you can send a message in comment. Okay, या तो you can also share the comment also. If you have any doubt, right? Okay. So just I am going to give you 2 minutes. Just you can write down the remaining 4 sentences in your notebook. Okay, see now. So here we complete proposal sentences. Now we are going on another topic, and that is optative sentence. That is the optative sentence. Optative sentences. Okay, now first we have to identify the types of sentence. So optative sentence के लिए क्या है? Hint क्या है? How can you come to understand that this sentence is optative sentence? What is the meaning of optative? Optative means यहाँ पर शुभेच्छा दर्शन, मतलब अभिवादन करते हुए वर्ड्स अगर दिए जाते हैं, greeting words we can say, greeting words, hi, hello, wish you many happy things of the day, thank you, sorry. Okay, so all this, good morning, good afternoon, So all these words are called optative sentences. Okay, so optative sentence में जब डायरेक्ट में से इनडायरेक्ट में कन्वर्ट करते हो, so सबके रूल अलग अलग है यहाँ पर. So mostly this is only a very short topic, only 4 or 5 minutes we need to understand this one. So optative sentence में first just write down the rule. If good morning, good afternoon, good evening, etc. words are given, we have to use wished as are we. Means reporting. Okay, so first rule यहाँ पर देखो कि if good morning, good afternoon, good evening, etc. words are given in the sentence, we have to use wished as are we, and no any conjunction will be used at all. कोई conjunction उसमें इस्तेमाल नहीं होगा. Clear? For example, he said to me, good morning. Okay, so now what will you do here? So first identify the types of good morning. Only single word is used there. It means that this is optative sentence. अब optative sentence है तो first we can use here wished. Means he wished me good morning. Okay, so यहाँ पर जो G capital था वो small हो जाएगा, and no any conjunction is used here. Okay, only we have made the changes in place of reporting verb. So reporting verb जो say to था वो निकल गया और उसके बदले हमने इस्तेमाल किया wished. Just like that one, अगर good afternoon दिया हुआ है, he said to me good afternoon, he wished me good afternoon, he wished me good evening. Clear? Okay, second thing, number 2. If hi or hello is given in sentence, we have to use greeted, G-R-E-E-T-E-D. We have to use greeted as are we. So reporting verb यहाँ पर जो say to है उसके बदले हमें क्या रखना है? Simply greeted रखना है. कब? When hi or hello is used in the sentence. For example, she said to me hi. So hi is greeting word. That's why we have to use here she greeted me. She greeted me. Hi कुछ नहीं. Only we have to use greeted in place of said, and hi will be removed from the sentence. अगर hi के बदले hello दिया हुआ है तो same construction will be there. She greeted me. Nothing else. Hello will be removed from the sentence. Clear? Okay. Next one. Number 3. If thanks is given in sentence, thank will be removed and thanked will be used as are we. Okay, so यहाँ given in the sentence, thank will be used as reporting verb. Clear? Suppose ऐसा सेंटेंस है, he said to me thank you. Okay, now what will you do? So first यहाँ पर thank you मतलब ये हुआ कि ये सेंटेंस है वो ऑब्जेक्टिव सेंटेंस है. So ऑब्जेक्टिव सेंटेंस है तो यहाँ पर say to के बदले क्या करेंगे? तो thank you दिया हुआ है. It means that we have to use thank in place of say to, reporting verb. So he thanked me. Bas, this is the complete sentence. Okay, he thanked me. Then if sorry is given, then what we have to use that? Sorry will be removed from the sentence and apologize will be used as reporting verb. So if sorry is given, it is removed and apologize is used as RV. Clear? Okay. Suppose he said to me sorry. So he apologized me. Example is there. He said to me sorry. So now what we have to use here? Say to निकल गया and he apologized then me. Clear? So these are all optative sentences. Clear? Okay. So here we have completed assertive sentences, interrogative sentence, then imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence, proposal sentence and optative sentence. Now in our next and last lecture, okay, full and final एंडिंग पर हम आ गए हैं और जनरली एक ही टॉपिक हमारा बाकी बचेगा, वो है जनरल रूल्स और डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. ओके, ये हमने पर्टिकुलर हर एक जितने भी टॉपिक्स थे वो सबके रूल्स वन बाय वन हमने इंडिविजुअली देख लिए. अब हमें क्या करना है? सो लास्ट में ये जो पूरे क्योंकि हमें क्या करना है, इन द बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन यू विल हाउ टू राइट डाउन द फुल पैराग्राफ. ओके, पूरा पैराग्राफ लिया होगा. ये सेंटेंसेस सिर्फ प्रैक्टिस के लिए मैंने दिया हुआ है. एट लास्ट द फुल पैराग्राफ विल बी आस्क्ड इन योर पेपर. सो पूरे पैराग्राफ को जब डायरेक्ट में से इनडायरेक्ट में हम कन्वर्ट करते हैं तो बहुत सारे ऐसे रूल्स हैं जो इसमें नहीं इंक्लूड हुए, तो वो सब जनरल जो रूल्स हैं उसके लिए एक अलग से हमारा एक लास्ट लेक्चर रहेगा. ओके, सो टिल देन जितना भी मैंने करवाया है यहाँ पर, जितना भी कंप्लीट हुआ है वो सबको आपको कंपलसरी अच्छी तरह से नोटबुक में भी लिखना है. और स्टिल आई कैन सी so many students they are not watching the videos. Okay, so my humble request to you people, just go through each and every grammar videos जितने भी मैंने बनाए हैं वो सब ग्रामर वीडियोस में जाओ, वहाँ पर कमेंट में जाओ, वहाँ पर yes sir I have seen या I got whatever you can give your comments. Okay, thank you very much.